To keep Bob cleaning at his best, we recommend removing and cleaning his front wheel about once a week. To get started, you'll need a flathead screwdriver and cleaning tool. Flip Bob upside down. Using the screwdriver for leverage, grip the wheel firmly and pull. Once the wheel is removed, use the screwdriver to pry out the wheel assembly. Clean the wheel and all of its components, including the assembly and wheel socket. Replace the wheel assembly when done. Press down to lock it onto Bob. Lastly, replace the wheel. Press down to lock it into place.